Hey folks, welcome back. I've been using the Autosnipe platform for about 6 months now, so I just wanted to share some of my thoughts and my experience with using it compared to other trading platforms. If you do like what you see and you want to sign up to Autosnipe, you can do so using my link in the description or the pinned comment down below for 10% off your trading fees. Alright, so the first feature I want to talk about is the AI Sniper. If you go over here and click Create Sniper, you can now choose a target website like GMGN, Photon, or BullX Neo. You then go over and select a target list from that website, like new pairs, trending, about to graduate, or graduated. You then get a load of different options to configure depending on the target website. Anyway, once you configured all that, just hit continue and you will go to the Sniper activation page. Here you can put in the total amount you want to invest, amount you want to buy per order, your exit strategy. One of the best features of Autosnipe is their AI priority fee options. You got two options, either AI bullet or AI optimized. These basically use AI to analyze the market conditions and then decide the best priority fees for your trade. I personally recommend AI Bullet. I find it's usually the best balance between speed and cost. Anyway, once you got the settings you want, just hit activate and the bot will start buying up all of the tokens that match the filters you set, and it will then sell them automatically at either the stop loss or take profit targets that you chose. I think the best use case for this is for buying up a lot of tokens in bulk, because it kind of works on the basis that most meme coins fail, but you do get that maybe 1 in 50 that does 100x or 1000x or something. If you're only looking to make a few trades with a small amount of money, the AI Sniper isn't really good for that. But if you're up for experimenting, like I've done plenty of here, then I think there are definitely ways to make it work. Anyway, moving on, Autosnipe also has copy trading, which I've found is really easy to use compared to a lot of other platforms and trading bots. You literally just paste in a wallet address, hit the arrow here, then you come to the activation page and you have a few options to configure like you do with the AI Sniper. This supports either Raydium, Pump.Fun, or PumpSwap. If you do want your trades to sell when the wallet you're copying sells, make sure to turn off the manual exit/sell strategy. For some reason that's turned on by default. Anyway, once that's all done, just activate and you're good to go. In my experience, Autosnipe copy trading seems quite reliable compared to some of the other platforms and trading bots that I've used. It very rarely misses trades, and it's definitely the most user-friendly by far. So especially if you're a beginner just trying out copy trading, this is definitely a decent option. Another thing they've got to help you out with copy trading is the Trader Lens tool. What this does is you just paste in a wallet address here, click Analyze, then once it's done you can view the analysis, and this will give you quite a detailed breakdown of all of this wallet's recent trading performance and all the trades they've made. So this is good for doing some research before you decide to copy a wallet. Alright, finally moving on to, I guess you could call it the main trading interface. You've got either the trending page here, you've got new pairs over here, and of course you can select the platform that you want, or the meme vision page. This is basically like the standard Pump.Fun interface that most platforms have now, but of course Autosnipe does have its own set of filters and its own chart interface. Now I did actually do a whole video not long ago comparing the trading experience on Autosnipe against GMGN and BullX Neo, which I'll link after this if you're interested in that. My general conclusion was that Autosnipe had the most extensive range of unique filters, and overall it does seem to have basically all the features that the other platforms had, but I generally found the interface on Autosnipe to be a lot cleaner and more user-friendly. So again, if you're a beginner, you get all the information you need, but it's not too overwhelming like it can be on some other platforms. And from what I've seen and covered in my other videos, the devs have been constantly working on it to bring new features and refine the overall experience. And I think they've done a pretty good job. I'd say this is actually probably one of my favorite meme coin trading platforms at the moment. So there are my thoughts. If you do want to check it out, use my link down below for 10% off your trading fees. Also make sure to join my free Telegram and let me know what you think of the platform, and maybe consider brushing past the like and subscribe buttons on the way down. For now though, I've been me, you've been you. Thanks for watching and see you later.